Hi guys. Let's start with Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a vast ecosystem that allows you to design and download t-shirts on the Amazon Marketplace, to sell and ship them by Amazon. Amazon takes care of everything. It's one of the most popular print platforms in the world. Before opening your account, learn how to follow the tips to be accepted easily. Merch by Amazon is an incredible opportunity for passive income, and it's free. They must take advantage of every upcoming event to create t-shirt templates and download them on Merch by Amazon. How to have this Amazon account. First, go to merch.amazon.com. Click on Request an Invitation and start creating an Amazon account. Click Accept. Complete the application by entering your name, or that of your company. Write the text showing your design skills and knowledge. If you do not have one, do not lie, just say you want to succeed and you have an iron will to do it. Click on Send Request. The page looks like this. Once the application has been sent, you will wait for an email on the day. And in the meantime, what should I do? You have to feed your eyes with beautiful artistic designs. Learn Photoshop, Illustrator or GIMP. Learn all about SEO, search engine optimization, keyword domain. Cultivate yourself by having a look at other print-on-demand platforms. Bravo! Now that your request has been accepted, you must have an idea about the Merch by Amazon dashboard. This is the page you will see each time you log in. The menu includes a dashboard, creation, management and analysis, as well as your downloaded masterpieces, last week's sales data as well as MBA updates. You will have in the menu. Create, download the design. You choose its location, front or back, and the type of product. Click on Save Selection and continue. The second page guides you to configure your product, the type of cut, men, women and youth, the color, 5 colors, and the estimated costs. Click on Save Selection and continue. Your product's details page is very important in determining how and where your product is positioned on Amazon. For the product to hit MBA, you have to look for the right niche. You have to look for the right keywords. Fill in the following page, as explained below. The Analyze tab displays sales, revenue, cancellations, in the previous 90 days, downloadable as a CSV file. You have to learn how to cultivate by enriching your visual memory by taking inspiration from the designs and look for the specific keywords to use for your next ads, Google, Amazon and Pinterest. Also, subscribe to Merch Titans and get inspired. Make a field that you know perfectly your starting point for creating new designs. When you do your keyword research on Amazon.com, do not click on Enter the query, but let Amazon suggest you the keywords automatic entry encompassing searches made by other people for use in your next products. When you search for results, be sure to filter by clicking Novelty and More, then Sold by Amazon and Bonus to see the competition. If competition is absent or weak, I can perform a BSR. You need to check the security of a sentence or it is not a registered trademark using Trademarkia or Espanto. The free MBA search tool shows you the top 20 best-selling products. Amazon's best sellers rank, BSR, ranking can give an idea of the sale of a product. Low BSR equals best sellers. High BSR equals low sales. No BSR equals no sale. Where to find the BSR? Choose a product, then in description of the product you will find this famous BSR. You have to have low competition and high demand. You just have to create the best design. It's important to understand how MBA ranks keyword designs to make sales. Searches for buyer-related keywords as the main keyword. To get the most out of Merch by Amazon. The search volume of the keywords. You have free services and paid services. These data come from Google AdWords, free to use happily. Sign into Google AdWords, click Start with Keyword Planner, then Get Search, as shown below. Keep the default filters and insert the keywords you choose to have the most data as well as the MBA keywords. Click Get Search Volume to get an idea of how many times a keyword has been searched. You can see that the monthly search for I am happy with you is between 100 and 1000. Practice until you have ideas for beneficial products. The design of new products for MBA. You can either create it yourself or have a designer do it for you. However, you must learn to use Photoshop, Move, Brand, Lasso, Dropper, Rush, Eraser, Zoom, Layers, Illustrator or GIMP. Some concepts are enough for a start. Vector fonts or images that can be resized without loss of quality. You must also check the license fees. You will find free vector files on sites like FreePic, Vector for Free and OpenClipArt, that you can open on Photoshop or Illustrator or GIMP. Open the vector in Inkscape, then import it into GIMP. Free fonts, you'll find them on free sites like DaFont, FontSpace, 1001 free fonts. You can make passive income on MBA. I ask you to improve every day and stay a student all your life. Follow our next articles, it can serve you if you want to succeed. Persevere. That's all for today. See you in another video.